Hey dolls, Frankie Fictitious here. I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for you guys. It's my go-to showgirl look. Yeah, I've never done this before, so this is my first tutorial, so we'll see how it goes, but hopefully it turns out how I like. So I like to use my Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, and I just put a little dab on my fingers and I'll just put it all in. For my foundation, I like to use Huda Beauty, and this color is Toasted Coconut. That's that. Then next, I like to contour my face. I like to use this Naked Skin by Urban Decay, and it's color Deep Neutral. A little of this goes a long way, so I just use a really small amount and I just blend it in, and the other side. And then I just take whatever is excess and I'll go up here on my forehead and down here on my chin. Okay. So my eyebrows, I like to use the Anastasia Brow Dip Pomade, and this one's in medium brown. And then I use the brush from Anastasia as well. It's brush 12. My brows are on. I'm gonna go in with my concealer, also from Huda Beauty. This one is in Marshmallow. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. For now, I am going to put it right below my eyebrow there. Okay, so that's my eyebrows right now. Today I'm going to use the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. Oh, then I love the brushes that come with them too. They're these nice little fluffy brushes. They're two-ended. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with this burnt orange shade, and I'm just gonna apply it from my crease and go up. It's a nice blending color, and I like to pull it out a little bit too, so it creates this cat eye. And then I'm gonna go in with a lighter color, so I'm going to use this orange soda here. I'm gonna just blend it up a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go in with the sienna right here. It's a little bit reddish. And I'm gonna use this brush. It's a flat rounded brush. I'm gonna go in right on my crease right there. I'm gonna go back with my burnt orange again and then just blend it out a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with the Cypress Umber, this dark brown color here, with a really, what is this? I don't know, this one really packs on the pigment for me, so I really like it to go right into my crease to create that depth. And I just follow it all the way around here. We're gonna go back in with our Huda Beauty concealer. Then I like to use my concealer brush, and then I'm gonna go again, so right on the cut crease here, so right here. So I go a little bit above where my eye actually bolts into the socket area. Okay, so that's my cut crease, and then I also like to pull it out a little farther so it pulls my eye a little bit more too. So I'm just gonna go back in with my concealer and then pull it out, and I'll show you in a second. Okay. So when I do that, I go up a little bit higher than where I'm gonna end up putting my black eyeliner. Do the other eye now. So that's my cut crease. While I'm doing that part, I'm also just gonna highlight my cheeks with my concealer, do my nose, and then just blend it all in together. Okay, so this is what my face looks like when I have it highlighted before I blend it. I'm gonna use my Smashbox water primer and my beauty blender. Now let's put a couple spritz on here. And I'm just gonna blend, blend, blend. Okay, so I blended it all in. And then I like to go back in with whatever's leftover remnant from earlier on my contour brush. And I just like to blend it a little bit more with my brush. Pretty. I like to go in with a lighter color on the eyelid. So I'm going to use Tempera right here. I'm just going to go all on this part of my eye. And then I'll pull it out to where I put the concealer as well. Oh, then I also like to put it up here and kind of blend it into that orange soda color we used earlier. That's that. Next up, I'm gonna do my black winged eyeliner. Sephora waterproof brush tip liquid liner. And then I start on the inside and then I pull it out. And I'm gonna leave a little white space here so it gives me more of that cat eye look. And then I pull it out a little past my eye here. I'll show you in a second. So first I do this line from here, pull it out to there, and then next line I'm going to pull it from here and go up. So like that, and then now I'm going to connect the lines. So I'm going to pull it from here and then go down to this bottom line that I have. So it ends up looking like this, and then I'm just going to color it all in. So it looks like that, and I just realized I forgot something. So I forgot to put the highlighter in the corner of my eyes before I put my eyeliner on. So I'm just gonna go back and do that now. Right now, let's see, I'm using the Mary Lou Manizer by The Balm. And I like to put this in the corner of my eyes and then also underneath my eyebrow, just so it pops a little bit. Now I'm gonna go over that black corner that I just went over with my highlighter. So that's this eye with the cat eye. No cat eye. No cat eye. Okay, I'm gonna do this eye now. Same thing. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna go underneath my eye with the, I'm gonna do the burnt orange, and then I'm gonna blend it into the cypress under. So I'm gonna start with a burnt orange first. Okay, and then now the cypress under, just in the corner. I just put the glue on my eyelashes just so it could get a little tacky, and while that's getting tacky, I'm just gonna put some blush on. It's MAC Ambering Rose, just on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm gonna go in and contour my nose. And for this, I use my Bahama Mama by The Balm. And I just went straight down the sides of my nose, and then I'm going to do a little V here at the tip. Okay, and then just blend it all in. Okay. And then I go in with my setting powder and set everything. This one is by Tarte. It's called Smooth Operator. My eyelashes are looking nice and tacky, so I'm gonna fit these suckers out. Contacts in, so next all we have to do is highlight and lips. I'm gonna go back in with my Mary Lou Manizer, and I'm going to just do my nose with this. So just on the tip and then along the center of it. And I'll also go right here on my lip. And I'll blend it kind of with my finger, just like a button. And then for my cheeks, I like to use my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe. There it is. This really pretty golden color. And I'm gonna use my fan brush with this one. Ooh. And when I have a show, I'll also do this all over my body, like that. But I'm just in my house today, so no show. Okay, and then red lips. This one is Fenty Beauty, and it's the color Uncensored Stunna Lip Paint. So that's the look. Thanks guys for tuning in. I hope that was helpful. I want to do more of these. This was fun. So subscribe to my channel because I'm going to start doing more of these. Thank you. Bye.